welcome to the kitchen. If you're like me, you crave spring, summer, and warmer weather all winter long. So today we're going to make a simple but delicious recipe you'll want to bring to any springtime picnics or summer barbecues. This honey ginger fruit salad can be made with a variety of different fruits. Before this, I took the time to prep and wash all of my fruits. Now to start off, I have my grapes in the bowl. Next, I'll add my strawberries. Strawberries are a wonderful summertime fruit. They're fresh, normally all summer long. Next, I'll add my blueberries to the bowl. Blueberries are another great summertime fruit. Next, I'll add my mango. I'll give this a stir here to start combining all the different fruits. You can see all those wonderful colors. Next, I'll add some banana. And last, I'll add kiwi. Now, to top off this fruit salad, we're going to make a dressing. Our dressing will consist of orange juice. I'll add in some lemon juice. Next, I'll add just a little honey. And then some ginger. And lastly, some nutmeg. Now I'm going to stir this to combine it, mix all those flavors together. And then I'll pour the liquid over my fruit salad. Give it a stir about halfway through, combining all those fruits and flavors again. And pour the rest of my dressing over. You can serve the fruit salad immediately, or for even more flavor, let it chill in the fridge for about 20 minutes. The great thing about this recipe is it can be customized to fit any of your preferences or needs, whether it's leaving out the grapes because you have small children or adding in nuts because you love the salty crunch. Be sure to share with us what changes you've made. The full recipe is posted for you below, and we can't wait to hear from you.